Based on a true love made from living a lie. I femme fatale got in a character fully stitched to the skies. The gift of surprise, essence in her eyes. She sowed the seed, so the lead. Role was a privilege and right. Based on a true love made from living a lie. I femme fatale got in a character fully stitched to the skies. The gift of surprise, essence in her eyes. She sowed the seed, so the lead. Role was a privilege and right. She's ready for a close-up. Well, what's my motivation when a one-night stand in? What's the feature role in placement? Guess I'm method acting. It's knight in shining armor, director, dialogue editor, key gripping silent partner. Behind the scenes, I'm at a loss for pretending. Trying to stick to the script, she wants an alternate ending. I'm just trying to score, she wants love in the frame. But the martini and money shots were one and the same. I wasn't to blame when the screen time was up, and before I rolled the credits, she ain't make the final cut. I gave award-winning performances for what we never were. Don't confuse compassion and passion for the wrong full-letter word and cut. Let me tell you about my only vice. It's got to do with lots of loving and it ain't nothing nice. Cause I ain't fucking with them lonely nights. It's got to do with lots of loving and it ain't nothing nice. I just wanna join the show me life. Hold me tight, roll me right. Heard about my only vice. Well, loving never made it right. Since love is the right twist to keep me in this vice.
Rent money music too. DJ Trends on the mix.
We make great music together, composing vintage numbers till we started marching to the beats of different drummers. I used to sing your praise a cappella or play the acoustic. That you always want to know. Come time to face the music. I got a one-track mind. Should've known we never mix right. Sound quality's an issue with whoever's inside listening range. But I guess to you my world's a glistening stage. Now I'm an instrument wave by Carmen. No strings attached. The second fiddle you play. I tip the scale when I ain't holding C note. I have more to say, but that was all she wrote. We go on to orchestrate a genre so tinged with rap. She harp on my thoughts while I'm tooting my own horn. Be sharp on my thoughts, out of tune with my own joint. At a show starring me, strike a chord on your own accord. No sense doing duets if we can't find a harmony. Take 5, let me tell you about my only vice. It's got to do with lots of loving and it ain't nothing nice. Cause I ain't fucking with them lonely nights. It's got to do with lots of loving and it ain't nothing nice. I just wanna join the show me life. Hold me tight, roll me right. Heard about my only vice. Well, loving never made it right. Since love is the right twist to keep me in this vice grip. Dear the one that got away. You get my other note, I sent it third class with pocket change. Fuck it though, been reaching out in cryptic ways. Several songs, different things. Keep it mostly buried cause I know you think this kid is strange. But you still make my jaw drop. And I'm a little less whatever made the call stop. Let me make it official and say your initials. G, Y, gray areas fit the taste of the issue. The sample has something to say, and it fits you. And I ain't trying to jump the gun, but I take a bullet for you. Your voice still makes me smile, even though in truth records you around you. I regress the old pitiful game. Trying to think of things to say to rekindle the flame, and I can't. But I want you to know I'm proud of you, and thanks for always coming to shows. Around you I ain't a rapper, just another nerdy cat. Still down for that if you ain't married at 30 packed. I won't show up empty-handed holding feelings of bliss. Right back sincerely, Michael King sealed with a kiss. Let me tell you about my only vice. It's got to do with lots of loving and it ain't nothing nice. Cause I ain't fucking with them lonely nights. It's got to do with lots of loving and it ain't nothing nice. I just wanna join the show me life. Hold me tight, roll me right. Heard about my only vice. Well, loving never made it right. Since love is the right twist to keep me in this vice grip.
Icon the Mike King.